Compound subjects, making them agree. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of compound subjects and their role in subject-verb agreement. This is an essential topic for those preparing for the ACT and for anyone aiming to perfect their English grammar skills. A compound subject consists of two or more subjects that are joined by a conjunction, usually and, or, nor. The verb of the sentence must agree in number, singular or plural, with the compound subject. Here are a few examples. 1. The cat and the dog are playing. Plural verb. 2. Neither the pen nor the pencil is on the table. Singular verb. When two singular subjects are connected by and, they typically require a plural verb. Example: coffee and tea are popular beverages. However, there are exceptions. Peanut butter and jelly is my favorite sandwich. Here, peanut butter and jelly is seen as a single unit. When you have two singular subjects connected by or, nor, you use a singular verb. Example: neither the manager nor the assistant is available. But, if one subject is singular and the other is plural, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. Example: either the dogs or the cat is outside. Either the cat or the dogs are outside. Sometimes, indefinite pronouns such as each, everyone, and nobody can be part of compound subjects. These typically take singular verbs. Example: each of the boys is talented. Neither of the women is ready. Mastering compound subjects in English can be a tad tricky at first, but with practice, you'll find it becomes second nature. Remember the rules, and make sure your subjects and verbs are in perfect harmony. Thanks for joining today, and keep practicing. We hope this video has clarified the concept for you. Happy learning!